Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Aparna Kedari and today we are going to study structure and shape of organic molecules, that is hybridization of organic molecule. So first is the definition of hybridization. Hybridization is the process of mixing and recasting of atomic orbitals of different energies in an isolated atom to form a new set of orbitals of equal energies is called hybridization. New orbitals are called as the hybrid orbitals. The new orbitals have a shape which is different from the shapes of orbitals from which they are formed. Suppose the s orbital undergo hybridization, then s orbital is spherical in shape, but its shape changes when it undergo hybridization. The hybrid orbitals have maximum symmetry and they also have say definite direction in space. Then the hybridization using s and p orbitals. First hybridization type is sp3 hybridization and it is also called as a tetrahedral hybridization because when the atom undergo hybridization, sp3 hybridization, the molecule have the tetrahedral geometry. Therefore, this hybridization is also called tetrahedral hybridization. Then second, sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, this sp2 hybridization is also called as the trigonal hybridization. And in this trigonal hybridization, when atom undergo the sp2 hybridization, the geometry of molecule become the trigonal. Therefore, this hybridization is called trigonal hybridization. Then third is the sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, the one s and one p atomic orbital undergo hybridization. Therefore, it is called sp hybridization, and it is also called as the diagonal hybridization because the geometry of molecule becomes diagonal. Therefore, this hybridization is also called diagonal hybridization. Then first type is sp3 hybridization. This sp3 hybridization is also known as the tetrahedral hybridization. For example, first the formation of methane molecule, that is CH4 molecule. Then this methane molecule, by mixing the carbon atom, by mixing 1 2s orbital of carbon atom and 3p2 orbitals of carbon atom gives rise to 4 equivalent orbitals known as sp3 hybrid orbitals and which are directed towards the corners of tetrahedron, regular tetrahedron. These are carbon atom and 1s and 3p orbitals of carbon mix with each other. Then it undergoes sp3 hybridization and gives rise to 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, and these are hybrid orbitals directed towards the corners of tetrahedron. Then these hybrid orbitals overlap with the hydrogen 1s orbital and then it gives the CH4, that is methane molecule. Then carbon in ground state, the electronic configuration of carbon is 6. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Therefore, carbon in ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Here this is 1s orbital, 2s orbital and 2p orbital which contain or which can accommodate 2 electrons. Then here carbon atom in excited state, 1 electron, 1 2s orbital, 2s orbital electron is excited to 2p orbital. And then next carbon in hybridized state, this 1s and 3p orbitals, 1s and 3 2p orbitals of carbon atom undergo hybridization, that is this hybridization. Then this hybrid sp3 hybrid orbital, it becomes 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. Then this sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon atom overlap with the 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Therefore, it is called 1 sp3s overlap, and then it gives finally the formation of methane molecule. The bond angle between the carbon and hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen in each, this is 109.5 degree and the geometry of this molecule is tetrahedral. Next example of sp3 hybridization is the formation of methane molecule. In ethane molecule, there are two carbon atoms and each carbon atom undergo sp3 hybridization. One sp, this is first carbon which undergo sp3 hybridization, and this is second and also undergo sp3 hybridization. Then this one sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon atom overlap with coaxially with the sp3 hybrid orbital of second carbon atom, and it gives rise to strong sigma bond between these two carbon atom, and remaining three hybrid orbitals, the orbitals of each carbon overlap with the 1s orbital of hydrogen atoms. Therefore, here there is one extra hydrogen. It is wrong. Only three hydrogens are there. Therefore, it is the formation of methane molecule. Here it is wrong. This is not a correct structure. Here only three hydrogens are there. And the geometry of this molecule is is tetrahedral, and bond angle is 109.28 degree or 5 degree. Then next is the hybridization, sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization is trigonal hybridization, that is formation of ethylene molecule. In ethylene, both carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, and during this hybridization, the 2s orbital and 2p orbital, one s orbital of carbon atom and 2p orbitals of carbon, put 2p orbitals of carbon atom hybridize to form three sp3 hybrid orbitals, and one of them orbital, that is 2pz orbital, remains perpendicular to this plane, and the three sp2 hybrid orbitals are in one plane, and this 2pz orbital is perpendicular to this plane, and these three sp2 hybrid orbitals make an angle of 120 degree and with each other, and the unhybridized 2pz orbital remains perpendicular to this plane. Then the carbon atomic number of carbon is 6. Therefore, this is electronic configuration in ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Then electronic configuration of carbon atom in excited state. When it absorbs energy, the one electron from this 2s orbital is excited to 2pz orbital. Then sp2 hybridization, 1s orbital, that is 1 2p orbital of 1s orbital of carbon atom and 2p orbitals of carbon atom mix and undergo hybridization. Therefore, this hybridization is sp2 hybridization, and this one electron remains in the 2pz orbital, and this 2pz orbital remains perpendicular to this plane. Diagrammatically, it is this carbon atom and both carbon atoms undergo sp2 hybridization. These are three sp3 hybrid orbital. These hybrid orbitals overlap with hydrogen, forming carbon hydrogen sigma bond. Here also carbon hydrogen sigma bond, carbon hydrogen. The total carbon hydrogens 4 sigma bonds, and carbon carbon 1 sigma bond. Out of these three hybrid orbital, one sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom coaxially overlap with each other, giving strong sigma bond between between these two carbon atom, and 4 that is 2 hybrid sp2 hybrid orbitals of each carbon atom overlap with the 1s orbital of hydrogen atom and forming 4 sigma bonds, and the orbital which is remain perpendicular to this plane. Here the bond angle is 120 degree between this carbon hydrogen and carbon carbon sp3 120 bond angle, and these all atoms carbon and hydrogen atoms in one plane, and this pz orbital is perpendicular to this plane, and each 2pz orbital contain one electron, and therefore this orbital laterally overlap with each other and giving pi bond. Therefore, there is one pi bond between in ethene molecule and total of 5 sigma bonds in ethene molecule. Then next is the sp hybridization. sp hybridization is also called as the diagonal hybridization. In acetylene, both carbon atoms are sp hybridized. During hybridization, one s one 2s orbital of carbon atom and one 2p orbital of hybridized to form two sp hybrid orbital. And here is the formation of acetylene molecule. Example is the acetylene. 2p orbitals do not participate in hybridization. Here the sp hybridization, this 1s and 1 2s and 1 2p orbital of each carbon atom undergo sp hybridization. This is two sp hybrid orbitals of each carbon atom. Out of these two, one hybrid orbital of carbon atom overlap with the sp hybrid orbital of second carbon atom, and these two sp hybrid orbitals of each carbon atom overlap with the hydrogen and giving sigma bond, and these two orbitals remains unhybridized, that is 2py and 2pz orbital. They becomes perpendicular to this plane, and this each orbital contain one electron. They overlap laterally and giving 2 pi bond. Therefore the bond angle, that is this hydrogen carbon and carbon, is 180 degree, and the geometry of molecule is linear. Therefore it is called as the diagonal hybridization or sp hybridization. An example is the acetylene molecule. This is all about the hybridization, that is formation of methane, ethane, formation of ethene, and the formation of acetylene.